As a CEO or business owner, if you haven't quite embraced video as a communication tool yet, here's a 60-second video marketing tip that'll give you a little jumpstart. For years, I've worked one-on-one with top executives from tech startups to Fortune 500 on how to effectively use video as they scale and grow. I found that the hesitancies are usually around what am I talking about and who am I talking to? The talking about is easy. The product, the people, the community, the culture, the customers, the customer experience, and the transformation. As for talking to whom, well, this makes you available to the press, to investors, to customers, to prospects, to staff, to new hires, to the sales team. Videos created along the lines of the CEO speaks or boss talks take your leadership to scale. It puts a face on your company and gives your team even more to rally around and be proud of. In business, this is the year for video. This is your year for video. Would you like a little support? Learn more about our 21-day video marketing jumpstart. Just go to socialjumpstart.com/join.